Hello, welcome. Today we will be learning about the basic stages of crochet. For the first, it's slip stitch. Previously we have learned about how to make slip knot and basic foundation chain. So here we're gonna make 10 chains. Here is our foundation chain. We won't work on that first chain because for the second row we need one turning chain, and then in the next chain we will be inserting the hook and pull the yarn, and we have 2 loops, and just pull the first loop through the second loop. Again, insert the needle, pull the yarn and pull the first loop through the second loop. That's how a slip stitch is made. Continue doing this until the end of this row, and after the last stitch of the row, just make one turning chain and turn the work. After turning the work, you will find 2 loops, that front loop and back loop. You can work in either front loop or back loop or in the both loop. Okay? So here I am working only in the front loop. That's the front loop, inserting the loop and then making a slip knot. We'll continue doing this. This is how it looks after 4 rows with one foundation chain, obviously. Now single crochet. For this, also make a foundation chain with 10 chains, and there will be one turning chain. Mark the 10th chain with your finger, or you can use stitch marker also, because that's where you need to insert for the next row. Just insert the needle, pull the loop. Now in slip stitch we were doing the inserting the first loop into the second, but here we will be pulling the yarn again through the 2 loops. Then insert the needle, pull the yarn, pull the yarn again through the both loops. Now again, for turning we need one chain and then turn the work. In the first, here also we have 2 loops, front and back, but I'll be working in both the loops. In that first loop we will be making our first stitch. Just insert the needle, pull the yarn and pull the yarn through both the loops, just like the previous row. This is how it looks after the 4 rows with one foundation chain row. In half double crochet slip stitch row, we will be in this also we need one turning chain, and just mark the 10th chain obviously. Now just yarn over and insert the needle like this and pull the yarn. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Just pull the first loop through the remaining 2 loops. Again yarn over, insert the needle, just pull the yarn and pull that loop through the other 2 loops. For the next row, just chain 1, then turn the work and yarn over, insert the needle and pull the loop through the next 2 loops. Here also you can work in front loop only or back loop only or with both the loop. I'm working with both the loop here. This is how it looks after 4 row with one foundation chain. And this is the comparison between single chain, single crochet and half double crochet slip stitch. It almost the same size. Now in half double crochet, it is quite similar like the half double crochet slip stitch, but here we need 2 turning chains. So after the 10th chain, just crochet another 2 chains. And then yarn over, insert the needle through the 10th chain, pull the yarn. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, and then pull the yarn and pass it through all 3 loops. Again yarn over, insert the needle in the next stage and pull the yarn, pull up a loop and then insert it through all 3 loops. In slip stitches we just insert the first loop through the remaining loops, but in other stitches we need to just pull the yarn again. Now for turning we need 2 chains and turn the work, and in the first stitch we will be doing our first half double crochet in this row. In the similar pattern we have done in the previous row. That's the last stitch. Yarn over and insert the needle through it. Now for turning, again we need 2 chain, and in similar pattern we will be doing the 4 rows. For double crochet, people prefer 2 or 3 turning chain. I am preferring 3 turning chain. It depends upon people walking on chain. Here I am doing 3 turning chain. After the 10th chain I will be doing 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Then yarn over, insert the hook in the 10th chain, pull up a loop. We have 3 loops. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through rest 2 loops. Again yarn over, insert the hook through the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull the yarn through first 2 loops and pull the yarn through next 2 loops. Continue doing this. At the end, 3 chain, turn chain and turn the work. Then this is the first stitch. You can count. The 4th will be the first one. So yarn over and insert the hook. Repeat the previous pattern. Now again, this is the last stitch. We'll make 1 double crochet. And then for turning chain 3 and turn the work. This is the work after 4 rows. Now in treble crochet we need 4 turning chain. Okay, then we will be doing 2 times yarn over on the hook and then insert the needle in the 10th chain, pull up a loop. We have 4 loops. Now pull the yarn through first 2 loops, then again pull the yarn through next 2 loops, then we have rest 2 loops. We will be doing again the same thing. Pull up a loop, pull the yarn through first 2 loops, pull the yarn through next 2 loops and pull the yarn through rest 2 loops. As we are pulling the yarn for 3 times, it is treble crochet. In single crochet we were doing pulling the yarn for 1 time. In double crochet we were doing it for 2 times, and in treble crochet we will be doing it for the 3 times. Now to turn the work, chain 4. If you prefer, you can do 3 also, but I'm preferring doing 4th chain. Yarn over, again yarn over for the 2 times and then insert the hook in the first stitch. Pull the yarn for 3 times with 2 loops only. You will have to place the stitches one over another, and this is after 4 rows. Compare the size differences with the similar foundation chain. Now that was the slip stitch one, and that's the first single crochet. Single crochet and half double crochet slip stitch are pretty much similar, but half double crochet with half double crochet slip stitch, it is much more different, and single crochet and half double crochet, it is little longer, little wider, sorry, but half double crochet and double crochet also similar, but here double crochet and treble crochet is huge difference in the width. So if we want our crochet stitches to be dense, then just use slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, slip stitch, or half double crochet would be okay. But double crochet and treble crochet are a little see-through, but if we have little time, it is the savior, because in the similar foundation chain we can see the difference of their sizes. Thank you.